Toyota Veloz is the premium variant of Toyota Avanza. Veloz 2022 is the all-new third generation that was launched at GIIAS 2021. Toyota Veloz has a more modern design, more spacious interior and more comfortable equipment. Starting with the exterior, the Veloz has a unique honeycomb-like front grille paired with a distinct set of LED headlights. The bumper adopts inverted L-shaped fog light bezels and front air dam that gives it a sportier look. Other highlights include full-width LED tail lights, 17-inch alloy wheels, 16-inch in lower variants, automatic folding side mirrors with puddle lamps and chrome-finished window belts. Like the exterior, the cabin of the Veloz is different from the regular Avanza. It gets two-tone black and white finish, fabric leather upholstery as well as LED ambient lighting. Infotainment comes in the form of a 9-inch touchscreen head unit with smartphone connectivity. In addition, all variants of the Veloz come with a rear entertainment system. Other key features available in the 2022 Veloz include a wireless smartphone charging pad, leather-wrapped steering wheel, a 7-inch digital instrument panel, new automatic climate control, and an engine start-stop button. Last but not the least, the long sofa mode seen in the Avanza is also available in the Veloz. The Veloz only comes with the larger 1.5-litre 2NR VE dual VVTi inline-4. It makes 106 PS with 137 Nm of torque and can be connected to either a 5-speed manual or CVT with a sequential shift. In the top-of-the-line variants, the Veloz comes with Toyota Safety Sense as standard. This gives the MPV intelligent safety features such as pre-collision system, front departure alert, lane departure assist, rear cross traffic alert, pedal misapplication control and blind spot monitoring.